Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, today's video is super exciting because it is my spring FabFitFun unboxing. So here is what the box looks like this time. I feel like the packaging is super beautiful. So for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, meaning you get 4 boxes a year, 1 for each season. It retails normally for $49.99, but if it is your first time signing up, you can use this little coupon code I'll put here. I'll also leave it in the description box along with a link to sign up. But if you use that code, you get $10 off of your first box, making it $39.99, which is a great deal because every box comes with at least 250, but more likely it's usually around $300 worth of products, which is insane to me. One thing I love about FabFitFun is that all of the products are full-sized, and that's so important to me because when I've tried other subscription services and they had like the little mini samples, I would always forget about them and then they'd go to waste. But for whatever reason, when I have full-sized makeup or full-sized products in general, I'm just more likely to use them and not waste them. Another thing I love is that it's not just makeup products. Of course, there are some makeup products in there, but what I love is that it's more of a lifestyle box. So it has things ranging from fitness to home decor, skincare, even some like fashion pieces. So it's such a good variety, and I think that this would make a great gift option for someone you know who loves trying out new products or who loves subscription services. So what you can do is purchase the full year, and there's like some sort of discount. So if you buy the full year instead of paying monthly, you get like $20 off, I want to say, and then put their address in instead of your own so that they can receive the 4 boxes as their gift for the year. So yeah, I think that's a really cute gift idea. But moving on, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna finally show you what's in the box. So one thing I always forget to mention at the beginning is that you have the option to customize some of your pieces and pick them out in advance, or you can leave it as a surprise and just let them pick the items for you. I personally like to pick my products in advance so I can at least know I for sure am getting some things that I need or really want. So the very first item in the box is this cleanser by Tula. And I've actually never tried this brand before, but I've really been wanting to because a blogger I follow always recommends their products. So this is the Probiotic Purifying Face Cleanser. Another cool thing is that the box comes with a magazine so you can see how much your products normally cost. So this cleanser right here normally costs $28. And I'm definitely going to be trying this out very soon. So if you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box, and I'll show you guys me using it and my thoughts on it and see if it helps clear up my skin. Okay, I'm really excited about this next one. So I am obsessed with robes. I basically live in them and I own a few already, but now I have this beautiful spring one. So this is by Show Me Your Muumuu, which apparently I think that's like a really good brand. I don't have anything from them as of now, but here is the pattern, the design. I feel like it's so pretty and perfect for spring. Okay, so here is what the robe looks like on. It's pretty long. It does not have any pockets, but it's short sleeves, so I feel like that's perfect for spring and summer because currently I don't have any short sleeved robes. They're all long sleeve. Okay, so normally that robe on its own costs $84, and I only paid $49.99 for this entire box. So that item right there already makes the box worth it and covers more than I already paid for. Next up is this body scrub. So this is a champagne charcoal scrub. It's supposed to be an exfoliating, relaxing scrub. And look at the size of this thing. Like, it's basically the size of my head. This scrub will last me so long. It looks like retail. This is $24. Next up is a pair of sunglasses. So I feel like shopping for glasses online is just a horrible idea because you're never gonna know how it fits, which is exactly what's wrong with this one. I love the style. I think it's really cute and it feels like good quality, but it's so big and wide on my face. I look like a fruit fly wearing it. So yeah, I'll probably see if somebody else I know fits into them. Normally those glasses cost $60. Moving on, next there is this water bottle by Swell. This one is orange with little whales on it. I feel like that's a really good idea just because it will help reduce waste, and reusable bottles are always a good idea. Normally this bottle costs $19.99. Next up is something I've actually been needing, and that is a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So I've actually never heard of this brand, but definitely love trying out some new hair products. So normally this one is $26. Moving on, this goes perfect with the body scrub. So after you use the scrub, there is a body lotion that comes in the box, and this one is citrus scented. So definitely good for spring and summer vibes, and this lotion normally costs $19. Finally, we are on the last product, and that is a Dr. Brandt ID puffing gel. So it's called Needles No More, No More Baggage. So this is the packaging. I used to use his products before, or he, she, I don't know, Dr. Brandt products before, and they are actually pretty pricey. So this little tube right here is normally $42. Okay, so those were all of the products in the box. Retail, I added it all up, it was worth $303. So I definitely think you're getting your money's worth. I always love the products I get in these boxes, and I always look forward to opening them. But that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!